All I hear is talking, I don't sweat that. If they don't trust me either, I respect that. But she be down the ride, oh, I bet that.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is J.H. How y'all doing, Postal family? Is everybody good? Is everybody cool? Everybody clean? Are you crisp? Are you feeling irie today? Let's talk. We're gonna skip the whole carrier craft and we're gonna talk about some other things. We're gonna talk about this PVO and truck driving program that they have in new areas and how that personally, in my opinion, because I don't speak on behalf of the post office, how that can be beneficial to you. Any one of you. I'm gonna give some information that I received. Again, I don't speak on behalf of the post office, but back when I first started, I used to say, these are good things, these are good things, these are good things. And it's been a while since I said that something is good. Experiencing what I just experienced, I honestly believe it's a good thing. I'm also gonna tell a couple of y'all why it's a bad thing. But first, go to the pinned comment. The pinned comment will have something for all postal workers in case you run into financial hardships. It's not embarrassing to go through a financial hardship, especially being that we are going through some trials and tribulations right now. You zim it, it's there. Pinned comment. Stop acting like y'all shy. Handle your business. Nobody else is watching. Click it, check it, see if it works for you. You zim it. PVO, Postal Vehicle Operator, Class E license underneath the APWU. There's some stuff going on behind the scenes that I don't want to get into because I got some qualms about it. But for you, any one of you, whether you're a mail handler or clerk, which I met both, a carrier already I met that wants to step into a new craft that starts you out $29 an hour, if I'm not mistaken, $27, $28, $29 an hour to be a truck driver. And you didn't hear it. It's not skipping. That's what I said. And you have the opportunity. If any one of you want to get your CDL, according to the APWU contract and the MOU, Memorandum of Understanding, between the person that started the program as well as the APWU, if you choose and say, hey, I'd like to go get my CDL, the post office will pay for it. Now, will they do that? I say, I don't know nothing about that program. It's in writing. So don't let them tell you different. That is a plus. That's a benefit. That's why Jay is arrogant and cocky and y'all call me asshole, because if I quit today, tomorrow I'll be working somewhere else and making the same type of money. This is a skilled trade that you will have the opportunity to sit there and grow. Now, what I learned about this program is something that I believe should be spread throughout all of the carriers, truck drivers, and other programs. When people come on to the post office, they first had an orientation day. This is structured. I like the structure. Management did good on this. It may have been messy when it first started because my peoples told me about it was messy, but I like the structure. Why are you bouncing around? Because I'm leading you to the freaking punchline. Follow me. There's a lady. If she ever watches, I respect you. I like your style and your delivery. Some of y'all may not. If you know what lady I'm talking about, she's kind of running this whole program where I'm located. And yeah, her delivery, excellent. But I'm grown. I'm not a kid. I like what she had to say. The program, orientation one day. Next day is they call it a DDC class, defensive driving class. Carriers know what that is, but this is specifically for PVOs and TTOs. If it comes to your area, which it will be spreading nationwide, if it comes to your area, jump on it. My opinion, jump on it, because they offer it to the local, inside the plants, inside the locals first, and then they let it go to the outside. They talk to you about what's going on in the DDC classes. Day 2. Day 3, 4, 5, whatever it is the testing day. Now, for people that have never driven a big truck and you got a Class E license for everything, not everything, but just regular cars, and you go into one of these straight trucks, straight jobs, like a big U-Haul truck or something, they give you some training on how to do it, etc. And then they test you so that you kind of have the idea. Then day 4 and 5, it's OJI training, on the job instruction. I love that because it's so thorough on how transportation works and why transportation works that way. And so the 2 that were teaching the class, I sat there and I raised my hand once. I wasn't part of the class. I was just in the back listening to the delivery. So thorough, so that if you guys have the opportunity to get in there, you have no excuse as to say, hey, I just started, they threw me out with somebody and told me to go work and carry a route. That's not how this works. Even tractor trailer operators and MVO operators that come in not with this program, they get shown a couple days, I test them, then they go on the truck and they don't really have on-the-job instructors. This program is so thorough. I'm sure it cost them a lot of money because they flew people from all over the country to come there to train them. I was one of them. Post office, they took care of me. I gotta give them some props on that. They took care of you, boy, okay? But the money they spent to get this program going, I get it. It is thorough. There's nobody that needs to worry that once you get going, that you're going to have issues because they provide you the information. Something that's unheard of at the post office. Them helping you win, very rare. Now it's up to you, my postal brothers and sisters, whether or not you want to accept it. We had somebody stroll into the class and she was a carrier. I hope she doesn't watch me because I may call her out. But she had a carrier attitude. What does that mean, Jay? Why you attacking us? Listen, everything you learned and the attitudes that we have as postal workers, don't bring this into this new program. Don't do that. Forget the attitude. This is a new program. This is a chance for you to help put your stamp on it. You all that are getting in this new program are the pioneers of a new program. Build it how you want. Don't come in there with your up attitudes. She showed up a little bit late, and the gentleman in the front of the class mentioned, hey, you came into the class late. She said, yeah, I know. Shit. Wow. You want me to give you an excuse? What? Me, my classes, they can't come in late. You come in late, you're getting this, you're coming back 2 weeks later. I don't play the fiddle. There's people that even watch me have been sent that. Really, Jay? Yeah, I don't play about time. You don't disrespect everybody else in the class's time. And that's something that us as postal workers, we have this mentality where it's like, man, I'm going to keep this postal attitude. Don't do that. The opportunities to rise and bring something new to your specific facility is there because there was no trucks coming out of there that were local anymore. And they get rid of the contractors. That's a blessing because now they're going to need union shop stewards. They're going to need craft directors. They're going to need supervisors. And here's your opportunity to build something that works and be pioneers in it. And as the new people come in that follow you, you can help build something that's productive to your area. Again, it was a pilot program started 2 years ago, and now it's starting to expand. Again, it may be sloppy, it may be crazy initially, it may be hectic, but reality is, build it. Build it how you want to. No more excuses about you don't have chances or opportunities. No more excuses of saying that you don't have the opportunity to make any money. Here's the thing. If you know that there's a program that's going to be possibly change your life and you already work for the post office, you're not happy where you at, and they say the program is going to be about, one state over, and if you don't own a home and you just got an apartment and you able to go do it, do it. There are people that are moving just to help start this program. I like that. Y'all say, Jay, don't talk good about this place. This is a program that I think is good. Why? Because it's transportation. Well, yes, it's a new program, period. That's what it is. It's a new program, period. You all get the opportunity to learn together. Learn together. And there's nobody better than the other one. And slap me silly, shave me naked. Out of the people that come, if there's 100 people, 68 of them or 67 of them are automatically going to be converted to career. The remainder are going to be PTF. They don't have non-career in the APWU. No. Yeah. Sounds a little more juicy, don't it? And if you did start off with PTF, you're getting paid a higher pay rate than the ones that come in as career. Because PTFs all get paid more. Anyway, what's bad about it? What's bad? It's the fact that it's new. There's going to be a lot of hiccups. There's going to be a lot of dissension. There's going to be a lot of y'all fucking vehicles up and crashing. Try not to. Be safe. You may not have great supervisors because everybody this is new to. It's new to everybody. But so long as you're involved, contribute, say, hey, this is a little rocky for me. This may not work. They're learning and they're building as they go. Everybody wants things put in front of them and laid out perfectly. That's not how the world works. But if you have an opportunity to help build something, look into it. How do we find out about this, Jay? Fuck if I know. I just hear it when they pop up. This is what this platform is for. It's for all of y'all to say, hey, man, I hear that they're going to be having a platform. Something coming over here to Indiana. Oh, I heard about it coming over here in South Dakota. Oh, we got that program going over. That's how you hear about it. The comments. Y'all give all the information. The instructors that came from around the country, incredible, and in very, very, what's the word? They were very professional. They were very professional and knowledgeable. Jay knows a lot because I read a lot and I research a lot and I ask questions. This is something that I didn't know much about. So I sat back and I listened. And any little question that I had, I chime in and ask a question because I want to learn. The instructors, the OJI, I think I'm going to ask my people to go get me OJI trained so that when people come into my facility, that I'm able to go over the transportation and say, hey, you want me to help you train this person before you send them out to the wolves so that they know how we do things here, so they don't come here with the attitude, oh, you know, over at this other trucking company, this is how we did it. No. I think this place is, this is a good thing. People are resistant to change. The change is here. It's inevitable. Embrace the change. Help build it. Some of you will be supervisors eventually. You talk about management. Stop trying to segregate them. Transportation, a whole different ball game. And if you're able to build something within your department, jump in it. Jump in it. I'm telling you to jump in it. They got the new e-transit vans coming out. The transit vans. They got the NGDVs that are in the area as well. New trailers, new equipment. Build it, man. I can't say it anymore. I'm impressed by it. I think I'm going to go back for the next set of training that they have so I could kind of be more involved. Their driving safety instructor had things that I never knew, and I kept asking. I didn't want to be like a pest. He doesn't know who I am, and that's good because he think that I'm probably being nosy, but no, I wanted some of that information. I like their ideas. That way I can bring it to my boss and say, hey, you know what? You want to try something different? That way it gets through to the people that we have to interact with. I don't know what else I could say except for keep your eye out for it. If the opportunity arises and it's somewhere else in this country, I implore anybody that has the opportunity to try to embrace it. All right. This is JH and I'm out.